Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to the Messages tab. Tap the specific conversation you want to change. Once there, make sure the app is updated so wallpaper options appear. Tap the chat name at the top to open settings, because that menu holds background controls. If you haven't chosen an image yet, pick one now from Photos. Prefer a vertical image near 1080 by 1920 for optimal display. This prepares the conversation for the wallpaper change immediately. Once in chat settings, tap Wallpaper or Theme to open the selection screen. You'll see Instagram's defaults and an option to choose from your photos. Choose Photos to use your prepared image, then preview it. This matters because cropping and visibility change message legibility. Use pinch and drag to position the subject where messages won't overlap it, and lower background opacity if text contrast is poor. After adjusting, hit Apply or Set to make the change. This saves it for you and the chat immediately. You finish by confirming the wallpaper is applied. Close and reopen the conversation to verify the look across devices. If messages are hard to read, make sure to reduce image brightness or opacity or pick a simpler background. Contrast ensures usability. If you don't see wallpaper options, update the app, restart your phone, or reinstall Instagram to restore the feature. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear app cache and try another account to isolate whether the issue is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.